Most people, including myself at times, overthink fragrance. They stand in front of their shelf staring at bottles, waiting for the right one to jump out. That's unnecessary. I find choosing your scent of the day is really based for me on 3 criteria that if you just follow these 3 criteria, you really can't go wrong. It truly simplifies the process. Today, I'm breaking down exactly how I do it step by step while getting ready for the day. Let's get into it. The first thing I consider is my schedule for that day. Fragrance for me is context dependent. If I ignore where I'm going that day, I find sometimes I choose wrong. Morning meeting, go subtle. Something clean, safe, low projection. A full day in the office, pick something that stays consistent over 8 hours and won't choke anyone out in a closed room. If I'm running errands or it's a content day, I loosen up a little bit. I wear louder, more bold fragrances. I find weather matters too. Heat amplifies, cold suppresses. Match your concentration and performance to the environment. This is why I tend to lean more towards not wearing heavy resins in August, so I don't suffer wearing it. And I don't necessarily reach that often for citrus fragrances in the wintertime, so they don't die in 10 minutes. My rule of thumb here is that context dictates intensity. The second thing I focus on is definitely what I'm wearing that day. My outfit, the visual aesthetic that I'm going for. Fragrance is part of the visual story you're telling. If I'm dressing casual, hoodie, denim, sneakers, I reach for something relaxed, easygoing, maybe a woody fresh or aromatic that fits that energy. If I'm wearing a structured jacket, higher quality fabrics, boots, then I go for something deeper, a bit more sophisticated, something that feels built for the outfit. Your fragrance shouldn't fight your look. Try to match texture with texture. It might sound obvious, but clean fits pair well with clean scents. Rugged fits pair better with things like leather and tobacco, even boozy notes, while minimal style pairs well with minimal fragrances. And of course, if you're more into loud fashion, bold fragrances can really accentuate the overall look. I don't think it's a complicated approach, but it does require intention. And speaking of intention, your outfit could be absolutely perfect, but there could be one detail that could ruin the whole thing fast, and that's your belt. A lot of guys are still wearing belts with stretched out holes, cracked leather, they're torn, they're loose, they don't fit right. Maybe you drilled a hole through it because you lost a few pounds. I've seen them before. That's why I'm excited to have Anson Belt and Buckle as the sponsor of today's video. This is a family-run company that's been around since 2009, and they have completely reinvented how belts should work. Instead of holes, Anson uses a micro-adjustable track system with 1/4-inch increments so your belt fits perfectly every single time. Once you experience that kind of fit and comfort, you're not going back to normal belts, I promise you that. And because you can mix and match any buckle with any strap, you essentially will have a belt to go with any fit without cluttering your closet. It's not just about style, it's about comfort, confidence, and polish. Anson's belts adjust with you throughout the day. Sitting, standing, moving, your fit stays perfect. I've been wearing mine nonstop, and I have much more expensive belts that I don't even wear anymore. And I'm embarrassed to say that. They have over 40,000 5-star reviews, and they back their belts with a lifetime functionality guarantee. One of the reasons why for me it was so easy to collaborate with a brand like Anson is because they stand behind all of their products. And once you wear one and try one yourself, you'll see why. And because Anson Belt and Buckle is sponsoring today's video, when you click the link in the description or this QR code linked right here to build a box set, you'll get 2 bonus pieces, a buckle and a strap completely free. That's 3 buckles and 3 straps, which can be mixed and matched into 9 unique belt combos all in one box. It's an exclusive deal you will not get anywhere else, so click the link, build your set, and upgrade your belt game today. Every week, I find myself inspired by something. Maybe it's a color palette, a location, a mood, a memory, even something new I'm testing that week. This, for me, creates consistency without repetition. It also makes the process automatic. You know the vibe, you narrow down the options instantly. One week, I might lean into leather, another week citrus, another week incense. If you follow a theme, your rotation tends to become cohesive rather than just random. So let's analyze the full process in real time. You look at your schedule, you look at your outfit, you look at what theme you're trying to build that week. When all 3 of those things align, you stop hesitating, you stop overthinking, you stop feeling overwhelmed. on what fragrance you should choose. This is something us fragrance enthusiasts face on a daily basis because we have a large collection. The goal here is that you sort of develop a personal style that's intentional rather than random. I think that alone is going to elevate anyone's fragrance game. For me, choosing your scent of the day isn't about having the largest collection or the most selection. It's about having intent and a system. Use your context, your personal style, your inspiration, and I promise you, that fragrance that you're looking for that morning will reveal itself. Guys, my name is Gerard. My passion is fragrances, and if this video was helpful, I would love to know. Drop it in the comments. But until then, have a fantastic day, and I'll see you in the next video.